The journey begins with an initial consultation during which you discuss your moving needs. You'll provide details about the size and nature of your shipment, your destination, and any specific requirements you might have. This allows SDC to give you a detailed, accurate quote. Once you've agreed to proceed, SDC will create a customized moving plan tailored to your specific needs. This plan will include timelines, packing instructions, and shipping options best suited for your volume of items. Their team of experts will guide you through the process, ensuring that every detail is addressed and your concerns are answered. Proper packing is crucial for the safety of your belongings during transit. SDC offers professional packing services to ensure that your items are securely packed using high-quality materials. Their team of experienced packers will handle everything from fragile items to bulky furniture, ensuring that each piece is protected. After packing, SDC will handle the loading process. For less than container load, or LCL, and groupage shipping, careful consolidation of shipment is essential. Their team will strategically load your belongings into the container, optimizing space and securing items to prevent movement during transit. Navigating custom regulations can be a complex part of international moving. SDC International Shipping provides comprehensive support with custom documentation and compliance. This ensures all necessary paperwork is completed accurately and submitted on time. Their expertise in international shipping regulations helps to prevent delays and complications at customs, and that makes for a smoother transit process.